everyone, welcome to the video classroom, and today we will learn new concept English book 1 lesson 75 uncomfortable shoes. Sağollaşmışsınızlar. Hem de bugün Yoğun İngiliz dili birinci kısım 75. ders uncomfortable shoes degan bu dersni o'rganmoqchi. Andaqda avval biz şu dersimizdagi muhim bo'lgan bir necha nuqtalar bor. Shu nuqtalarni bir takror o'taylik. So first review it. Endi bular şu 73. 74. derslerde so'zlangan muhim bo'lgan ya'ni masalan ravishlar. Endi qarab qo'yinglar arkadaşlar. Buni qarasanlar the man smiled pleasant. Okay. Endi bu yerga pleasant degan xushal degan gap. Endi xushal holda demoqchi bo'lsak nima derasanlar? The man pleasantly. Keyingi qattiq L-Y. Okay, the man smiled pleasantly. O adam erkishi nayt xushal oldi qanday qildi? Kulimsiradi. Number 2, he read the phrase slow. Okay, and u nimani so'z iborini nayt asta holda o'qiday bo'lsa. Nima deysanglar? Slowly oxiriga ly. You know, he read the phrase slowly. He read the phrase slowly. You know, he worked blah blah blah blah blah blah. He worked carefully. Okay, careful can wow. Uni kamda nima shaklda marsanga carefully. He read the phrase carefully. Naytdi. Ehtiyotlik bilan ehtiyot qilgan holda. All right. Keyingisi lazy. Okay, he worked lazily. Okay, endi buningga lazy degan oxiri y bilan oxirlashgan, endi y ni oldida uzuk tovush bo'lsa, y ni oyga o'zgartib ly qatamiz. Shuni olam nima bo'ldi? Lazily. Okay, number 5, you know, the door opened Okay, suddenly. Tuyuqsiz holda. Suddenly tuyuqsiz holda. Okay, number 6, you know, he cut himself bad. Okay, ig'ir kesib oldi bo'lsa, badly. Okay, he cut himself badly. Ig'ir o'zini qanday qilib oldi? Yaralandirib oldi, kesib oldi. Okay, hamsa yangi darsimiz kerakli. You know, there are many kinds of shoes. So, do you know them? Okay, endi bu yerda bir necha xil oyoqlar bor, sog'lashlar. Ularningki qanday turibligini bilamizlar. Okay, men birinchi qarayman. Buningda Puma. Okay. Markalik oyoq ekan ku. Endi bu nima oyoq bo'ldi desanglar? Athletic shoes. Athletic shoes or sports shoes. Sports shoes. Athletic shoes or sports shoes. Andaqda bu tanharkat oyog'i shunaqa. Masalan, jugaganda harakat qilganda ishlatilgan. Okay. Andaqda second ikkinchisi bo'lsa arkadaşlar. İkincisi nima oyoqda? Nike oyog'i ekan. What kind of shoes? It is hiking shoes. Okay, hiking shoes. And the hiking deganimiz nima desanlar? Masalan, piyoda mangadigan bir sayohat turibdi. Masalan, hiking to the nearest mountain, yaqin taqqa piyoda mangib, masalan 10 kilometr, 20 kilometr piyoda mangib, masalan, dumimizga backpacklarni esib bunda sayohat qilish nima? Shuni hiking deymiz. Bu nimalarga taqqa yamishi, şeylarga taqqa chiqish oyog'i deb qo'yamiz u. Tubu. Shuni deymiz. Hiking shoes yoki traveling shoes. Odatda sayohat qilganda kiyadigan oyoq. Buni deymiz traveling shoes. And sports shoes deganimiz shu yerga jugaganda, chiniqqanda kiyadigan oyoq. Endi bu keyingisi. Keyingisi. Bu keyingi oyoq endi nima? Rahat oyoq shuma casual shoes. Okay, shu shansi nima? Casual shoes. Casual shoes. Okay, marking shu. Endi bu nima desanglar? Bu xizmat qilganda kiyimiz shunama. Bu nima deymiz? Work shoes. Har xil patinga, masalan, erlarningki, ayollarningki, shuni deymiz work shoes. Bu hisobda xizmatga chiqqanda kiyadigan gap. Okay, what about that? Yoz keladi deb qoldi shunama. Yozda nima kiyimiz? That is sandals. Okay, sandals. Endi bu sandals deganimiz ham nima desanlar? Shu liangxie. Masalan, resimda ko'rib turibdi. Okay, macho. Okay, this is slippers. Okay, slippers. Okay, endi nima desanlar? Sapmakash deymiz shunami? Slip deganimiz nima? Tailmak slippers. Shu sapmakash deymiz slippers. Okay, what is that? Okay, one thing is really high in this one. It's high heeled shoes. You know, high-heeled shoes. Nima? Igiz pashnalık ayak. High degan igiz, heeled deganimiz pashna. High-heeled shoes. Igiz pashnalık ayak. Okay, what about that? Okay, next one is canvas. Okay, canvas. Canvas. All right, wow, what is that? You know, first what is boots? Okay. Yani boots deganimiz qo'njish igiz demak, o'tuklarni deymiz sizlar. Boots deymiz. Boots. Okay, endi yana bir boots bor. Bu uyg'urcha boots deb qo'yamiz-ku. Football boots yoki soccer shoes deymiz-ku. Soccer shoes. Shuni deymiz sizlar. Mushu soccer shoes. Okay, what is the next? Okay, next. Buni nima o'ynagan ekamiz? Basketball shunami? Basketball deganda basketball. Okay, it's called basketball shoes or basketball boots. Basketball boots or basketball shoes. Basketball o'ynaydigan oyoq. Xo'sh, sog'inashlamsa, avvalma shu yangi so'zlarni bir o'rganib chiqaylik. New words. New words. All right. Amsa yangi so'zlar qarasanglar, birinchisi ago. All right. Yagish bo'lganlar ago. All right. Buy. Okay, ago deganimiz burun ilgari degan gap. Masalan, a week ago degandek buy degan nima? Setib olmoq. Endi buni o'tgan zaman shakli bought. Okay. Keyingisi pair. Okay, pair deganimiz bir jup. Masalan, pair of shoes. Bir jup oyoq degandek. Okay, fashion. Okay, fashion. Okay, fashion degan pason, shakl. Pason, shakl. Okay, uncomfortable. Okay, uncomfortable. Rahat emas degan gap. Wear deganimiz kiyib olgan. Wore degan shu o'tgan zaman shakli. Okay, birinchisi qaranglar, ago. Ago deganimiz ilgari degan gap. Masalan, a week ago, and ma keyingi oldingi vaqtlar bilan birlashib, masalan, hafta burun, a day ago, kun burun degan gap. Masalan, hikoya o'zingizga burunning burnusta deganda-chu. Long ago. Okay, long ago. Demak, burunning burunusida. And next one, 2 weeks ago. Okay, 2 weeks ago. 2 hafta burun. Bu nima bo'ladi desanglar, 2 hafta burun. Mushni 2 weeks ago. All right. Next one is, you know, she left 30 minutes ago. Okay, and the 30 minut burun ketdi, ayrıldı deydi. Demek endi bu yerda ago degandan oldigan emas, vaqt keldi. Demak, bu ilgari demakchi, ilgari. You know, I went to London 3 days ago. Men Londonga 3 kun burun bordim. 3 days ago. You know, half an hour ago bo'lsa, yarım saat burun. Half deganimiz yarım. An hour degan 1 soat. And half an hour bo'lsa, 1 soatning yarimi, yarım saat burun. What about? You know, about half an hour ago. Okay, taxminan qanday desanglar, yarım saat burun. You know, I went home hours ago. And bir necha soat burun qana qildim desanglar, uyga ketdim. Aytdim. You know, we met her, you know, once several years ago. Ve ilgari bir necha yillarga several years deganimiz several years ago bir qancha yillarga biz uning bilan bir qancha yil ilgari yuz ko'rishgan. Bir qancha yil ilgari yuz ko'rishgan. And 2 minutes ago degan 2 minut burun. Endi bu vaqtlarnikiniga ko'plik bo'lganda ishkirat, masalan, minute deymiz emasmi? 2 holat bo'lganda nima aytsanglar, ko'plik 2 minutes. Okay, you know, 2 minutes. You know, 2 minutes ago. 2 minutes ago. All right, next one is buy. Okay. Buy degan bir narsa setib olmoq degan gap so'rashlar. Buni o'tgan zaman shakli bought, o'tgan bitgan shakli bought. Buy, bought. And buy something for somebody. Okay. Ma'lum bir kishi uchun bir narsani setib olmoq. Ma'lum bir kishiga ma'lum bir narsa setib olmoq yoki buy something, buy somebody something. Bu ilgari biz shu vasl to'ldiruvchi va bevosita to'ldiruvchi deganda, odatda bevosita to'ldiruvchi xabardan keyin kelib qolsa vasl to'ldiruvchidan oldin to yoki for olamiz degan. Masalan, birinchi jumla buy something for somebody. Masalan, bu jumla qaranglar, I buy a new book for my son every week. Okay. Men oğlum için her hafta qanday qilib olaman? Kitob sotib olaman dedi. Yangi kitob. I buy a new book. Agar hamda bu jumla o'zgarsak, masalan, I buy my son a new book every week. Bu vaqt for-ni qanday qilmaymiz? Ishlatmaymiz for. Ya, hamda keyingi I bought my father a coat in New York. Men New Yorkdan dadamga bir nima sotib oldim dedi. Bir palto sotib oldim. Endi ma'noni qanday desanglar, to yoki for qanday qilmaydi, ishlatilmaydi. I bought my father a coat in New York. And buy only what you need. Siz faqat nimaga ehtiyojli bo'lishini sotib olasiz. Buy only what you need. Hamma narsani sotib olmaysiz, faqat ehtiyojli qilan bo'lgan narsani sotib olasizlar deydi. You know, do you want to buy this house? Siz bu uyni sotib olgangiz bormi? So let's buy some bananas. Azraq banan sotib olaylik. Let's buy some bananas. Okay, next one, pear. Pear degan jup degan gap, Odatda bu nima? A pair of deb ishlatiladi. Masalan, a pair of gloves, okay, bir jup palay, a pair of shoes, bir jup oyoq. Hamda ikki jup bo'lsa ko'rsanglar, ya'ni miqdor so'zini sanag'ini bo'ldi. Shunga uning keyiniga asqatimiz. Two pair emas, two pairs. Two pairs of socks, four pairs of stocking. Socks deganimiz paypoq, ama stocking deganimiz stockings. Ayollarning uzun paypoqini deymiz stockings. Endi qaranglar, I have only one pair of rings. Menda bir jup nima uzuk bor. Pair of rings, right? I lost pair of keys. Men bir jup ochqichimni qanday qilib qo'ydim? Yuttirib qo'ydim deydi. I lost a pair of keys. Okay, keyingisi, I like this blue pairs. Men bu ko'k bir jupni qanday qildim? Yoqtirdim. Palay degan nima deydi? Gloves. Gloves. Okay, endi qaranglar, boshqa paqlar pair of glasses, nima edi? Ko'zoynak, a pair of shoes, bir jup oyoq, you know, pair of trousers. Nima? Bir jup ishtonmi? No. Ishtonning hamda ikki tal pichoq bor, shunami? Shung buni pair of bir jup deb ishlatamiz. Chunki trousers degan ishtonni ko'plik deb sanaydi, hamda. Uni degan nima? Pair of chopsticks. Okay, chopsticks degan choka. Choka, pair of chopsticks. Bir jup nima? Choka. Next one is fashion. Okay, fashion. Fashion deganimiz nima? Moda bo'lmoq. Odatda be in fashion deymiz, be in fashion. Masalan, this color is in fashion this year. And bu rang yoki bu rangdagi mushu narsalar, qandarsam bu yil time moda. In fashion deganimiz moda. Masalan, those shoes were in fashion last year. Avu oyoqlar, demak, those shoes demak shu bir jup oyoqlarni those deb ko'rsatdim. Avu oyoqlar qanday o'tgan yil moda bo'lgan edi. Were fashion last year. You know, this blue shirt is not in fashion now. Okay, and bu ko'k ranglik ko'ylak bu yil qanday emas? Moda emas. Okay, not in fashion. Yoki bu nima deymiz? Be out of fashion. Be out of ning sirtida, modaning sirtida demakchi vaqt o'tgan. Odatda idiom shaklida biz mana qarab qo'ydik, old school. Old deganimiz ko'na, school degan maktab, ko'na maktab. Odatda shu maktab degan eng oldir bo'lish kerak-ku, hamda old school o'qib qolsa, nima modadan qolgan, vaqt o'tib ketgan degan gap. Masalan, this color is out of fashion this year. Yoki this color is not in fashion this year. It's not in fashion this year. You know, this color isn't in fashion this year. You know, that hat was out of fashion in 2015. 2015-yildan qanday desanglar, out of fashion de. Modadan kelib qolgan de. Next one is wear. All right, wear deganimiz kiygilik, hamda kiygilik oltini. Masalan, men kiyimni qanday desanglar, kiygilik oltini ko'rsada. Masalan, he wears a tie every day. U har kuni qanday qiladi? Qanday qiladi desanglar, galostuk taqaydi. I wear same coats every day. Men har kuni o'xshash palto kiyman. O'xshash kiyimlarni kiyman. Lady is wearing a beautiful dress. Ayol qanday chiroyli bir ko'ylak qanday kiyibdi. Endi wear deganimiz, endi ustida kiyib olgan oltini ko'rsatsa, Put on degancha harakatni bildirdi. Demakki kiyish harakati. Masalan, she is putting on her dress, u ko'ylakini kiyivyotidi. Hozir shu kiyim kiyish harakatini qilayotgan bo'lgan. Agar men wear bo'lgan bo'lsa, kiygilik holati shu ustidagi. O kiyivyapti. Masalan, the lady wearing beautiful dress, bu kiyilib bo'lgan holatni ko'rsatadi. Masalan, she hurriedly put on her dress. O nayt alman alda o'zining ko'ylakini qanday qildi? Kiydi. Masalan, now she's wearing dresses. Okay, hamda u qanday desanglar? Kiygilik. Demakchi, u qanday qilmoqchi? Kiyivyotidi. Onun ikeninde kiydi, hamda hozir qanday desanglar? Wearing bo'lsa, kiygilik. Demak, men wear deganimiz shu kiygilik holatni ko'rsatsa, ammo put on degan shu harakatni bildiradi, kiyish harakatini. Shunga shu tekst chiqmoqchi. Sizlar shunga alohida bir diqqat qilsanglar. Xo'sh, hamsa text. First of all, listen the text very carefully.
Do you have any shoes like these?
What size?
Size 5.
What color?
Black.
I'm sorry, we don't have any.
But my sister bought this pair last month.
Did she buy them here?
No, she bought them in the U.S.
We had some shoes like those a month ago, but we don't have any now.
Can you get a pair for me, please?
I'm afraid that I can't. They were in fashion last year and the year before last, but they're not in fashion this year. These shoes are in fashion now.
They look very uncomfortable.
They are very uncomfortable. But women always wear uncomfortable shoes.
All right, finished? Okay, look. Do you have any shoes like these? Okay, and me ask, do you have? Sizda bormi degan gap shunami? Do you have any shoes like these? And me ask, you'ning ko'rsatdig'ini savolashlar. Bu hargiz birlik. Sizda degan bo'lmasdan, sizlarda degan gap bo'ldi. Arabda va ingliz tilida ma you birlik bo'ladi, ko'plik bo'ladi. Bo'lib buni bersangiz, sizlar mol sotib olgan kirganda, masalan, ya talabozorga yoki do'konga kirsanglar, sizlar mendan asboblar ko'plik holat qanday desanglar so'raymiz. Chunki hamda do'kon deganda hamda masalan yoki talabozor bo'lsa, nurg'u adam ishlaydi shunami? Yoki u bir shaxsda bo'lmaydi, balkim do'konda, masalan, jiq qo'llik deb ishlaydigan ma'lum bir o'rinda bo'ladi. Shunga bu yerda do you have any shoes like these? And sizlarda bormi? Okay. Adab shildi. Like these degan ma'noga o'xshash. These and birini ko'rsatib turib, hamda do you have any shoes like these? Sizlar ma'noga o'xshash bir oyoqlar bormi desam, what size? Okay. What size? Size degan razmeri cho'ng kichiklikka demakchi. Qanchalik cho'ng kichiklikka desa, size 5. 5-numar. Endi bularniki endi ma'lum bizniki o'xshamaydigan 1-numar, 2-numar, 3-numar, 4-numar, 5-numar qanday qanday desanglar, numar qo'yish nimasi bor. Onun kana what color? Okay, demakchi what color is it? Shunami? Yoki what color are the shoes? Degan gap. Qisqartiramiz what color. Nima rangda shunami desa? Black. Qora ranglik. Qora ranglik. I'm sorry. We don't have any. Mana bizda yo'q. Nima uchun endi we don't have any? Demakchi we don't have any shoes deydi shunami? Chunki agar shoes degan ko'plik bo'lg'achqa, bu yerga any keldi. Any keldi. Chunki endi shoes degan ikki tal bir juft bo'lg'achqa ko'plik sanaldimi? Shunga do you have any shoes deydi. Endi menda bir necha tal oyoq bor degan nima? I have some shoes. Okay, I have some shoes. So'ng savol so'raganda endi some degan bo'lishlik jumla kelsa, savol jumla, inkor jumlaga any keldi. Endi men o ikkinchi qatim takrorlanmaslik uchun shoes degan qisqarib ketib, shuningdan we don't have any now. Bizda hozir yo'q. But my sister bought this pair last month. Biroq meningki singlim o'tgan oyda sotib olibdi ekan. Biroq but my sister bought this pair bu bir juftni o'tgan oyda sotib olibdi ekan. Bought this pair last month. Did she buy them here? Ularni u bu yerdan sotib olibdi ekanmi? Demakchi, shu here degan mush do'kondanmi degan gap. No, she bought them in the US. Yo'q, ularni u nereden setib olibdi ekan? Amerikadan setib olibdi ekan. Endi mishariga bought deganimiz bolalar. Shu boyni o'tgan zaman shakli. U Amerikadan setib olibdi ekan, setib olgandi. Tushunami? Endi ya shop assistant debdi-da, prikazchik degan gap, juma shop assistant deganimiz. We had some shoes like those a month ago. Okay, endi month ago degan bir oy burun tushunami? We had some shoes. Bizda ashning like those, ashning o'xshash oyoqli bor bir oy burun. Okay. Endi sizlar bizda ashning o'xshash dars bor bir oy burun degan deymiz. Okay, we had some classes like that a month ago. Yoki 2 weeks ago. But we don't have any now. Biroq hozir bizda qanday desanglar yo'q. But we don't have any now. And the nima yo'q, we don't have any shoes demakchi, tushunami? We don't have any shoes. Shunga ashada ashniki nimasini ishlatamiz desanglar, ko'plikini ishlatadigan gap. So can you get a pair for me? Mana bir ajib tepiralamsizmi? Get degan erishmak, topmoq degan gap. Can you get a pair for me? Demakchi mana biran tepirasangiz bo'lamdi, tepiralamsiz desa, I'm afraid that I can't. Xo'sh, endi mush I'm afraid degan gapni anglashanglar bo'ldi hamda. Bu no degan gap ekan. Endi ingliz tilida bolalar masalan chet elliklar birsiniki taklifini rad qilganda masalan no orqali rad qilish nihoyatda bir qanday desam qo'polliqchi. Masalan can you help me? Birisi siz menga yordam qila olamsiz? Yordam qilamsiz deb so'rasa, vaqtda no desa, voy menga yo'q deb gapni uzatgan gapchi. Endi bu nihoyatda qo'polliq hamda bu madaniyatsizlikning ifodasichi. Onun bu çoğum naytisilik spayala I'm afraid men ensirayman. Yoki men qo'rqayman. That I can't men qilinmasligim. Demak endi men qilinmasligimdan qo'rqayman degan gap, endi shu qilinmayman degan gap. O agit bekilib degan gapchi endi. Bu angliyalikning nurg'un shu agit degan gaplar bor. Masalan men oldin qilib degandek endi bular gapni bega agit qiladi. Masalan bir siliq deyman deb, shu siliq spay bek udulib kelsa bir xil qo'pollanadi-ku. Lekin salamda nim qilsak endi silsilah spay oldi. Masalan, qalamingizni ishlatib tursam desak, voy bu qalamingizni ishlatib tursam bir ko'nglingiz keladimi? Degandek, would you mind if I use your pen? Degandekchi. Mushning o'xshash ifoda ishlatib shuni sizlar shu o'rganganda nima desanglar, mush I'm afraid that I can't degan silsilah ifoda. Masalan, can you help me? Agar yordam qilamisiz? I'm afraid that I can't. Masalan, can you borrow some money? I'm afraid that I can't. Azra pul ötünü berip turalamsiz. Oy, hapılma berip turamayman, shunami? They were in fashion last year. Okay, they were. Idi deydi, shunami? Ma or degan bo'lsa, were degan idi. They were in fashion. Ular moda idi last year. Ular o'tgan yili moda edi. Demakchi, hozir qanday desanglar, it's become old school, shunami? Old school degan ko'ni maktab degan gap. Modern qoldi, demakchi. They are out of fashion now because they were in fashion last year. And the year before last, hamda ülüşide. But they are not in fashion this year. Biroq hozir nima desanglar, moda emas. Demak, they are out of fashion this year. Bu yili modaning sirtida, moda emas deydi. So these shoes are in fashion now. Wow, mau oyoqlar. Endi savolashlar, bu yerga these deganimiz o'zimizga yaqin narsa, bir tal narsani ko'rsatganda this deymiz. Endi bular demoqchi bo'lsaqchi these. Okay, these, nima? Agar jiroqdagi bir narsa ko'rsatsa, au deymiz, nima? Oh, look at that bird. Okay, qarang, au qushqa. Endi qarang, au qushlarga, aular bo'lsa, those bo'ladi. Demak, this, these, that, those. Degandekchi. They look very uncomfortable. Okay, wow, ular qaramoqqa intayin qanday desanglar, uncomfortable ko'rindi ekan. They look very uncomfortable. Qaramoqqa bek berahat ko'rindi ekan. They are very uncomfortable, but women always wear uncomfortable shoes. Endi nima desanglar, ularni aytdi. Demak, haqiqatan ularni aytdi. Kalampay yoki rahat emas. Biroq women, women degan ayollarning ko'plik shakli. Women emas, women. Women. Women always wear uncomfortable shoes. Daim qanday oyoqni kiydi ekan? Rahat bo'lmagan oyoqni. Endi bu shu asosan nima uchun ayollar kiyadi? Sanlar birdan-bir nima sanlar for beauty. Shu go'zallik uchun, boshqalar chiroyli ko'rinish uchun qanday sanlar o'zini qiynisimi qanday sanlar oyoqlarni kiydigan gap. Okay, so now answer these questions. First, what does the lady show to the shop assistant? So what does the lady show to the shop assistant? I'm sorry, that's the ayol prikazchika nimani ko'rsatdi? A pair of shoes, right? And do you have any shoes like those, like these? That uning o'xshash oyoqlar bormi deb so'rashnami? Whose shoes are these? And u kimning oyog'i do'stlarcha? Okay. Kimning oyog'i? Kimning? Okay. Her sisters. Uningki singlisniki, ayol qarindoshninki yoki ochisiniki, shunami? So why does she show him those shoes? Why does he show them those shoes? Because she wants a pair of shoes like them, right? Demak, ummashning o'xshash bir juft og'iz bor ekan. So what size does she want? What size? Size 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Size 5, right? What color does she want? And so qanday ranglikka? Black. Good. So where did her sister buy those shoes? Where did her sister buy those shoes? She bought them in where? In the US. Good. So when did the shop have some shoes like those? When did the shop? And the shoe dukkanida qachon bor edi savatashlar bag'inglar? Last year. No, a month ago, right? And all right. So can they get any shoes like those now? Ular hozir shunda oyoqdan birini tepib olamdikan? Can they? Yes or no? Okay, no, they can't. And I'm afraid that I can't. So why can't they get any? Why can't they get any? Because they are not in fashion, right? This year. It means they are old school now. They are out of fashion now, right? What's wrong with the fashionable shoes? And what's wrong with them? What's wrong? Okay. They look uncomfortable, but women like it. They are uncomfortable. So take a look and choose. First one, blah, blah, blah, blah, blah. Are you Mr. Chan? No, I'm not. I'm blah, blah, blah, blah. Okay. All right. Excuse me, are you Mr. Chan? No, I'm not. Says, sorry, Why, Mr. Chen blah, blah, blah, blah is a fine day today. Okay. It's a fine day. Today is a fine day. Okay, it is a fine day today. And the airplane is flying the sky. And then in the sky. In the sky. Okay. Agar ma over bo'lsa, masalan bir halqaga masalan the flying over the village bir narsani usti tarafida uchib degan gap bo'ladi. So they look blah blah blah blah dog. In, over, on. Next one is at. Demak, look go'ring deb esa look at. They are looking at the dog. Ular ishni qarayotdi. There is a cell phone desk. And ustida bo'lgandagi bir tegishib turish nima? Shunga bunaqa ishkilanmaydi on the desk. Agar men over bo'lsa tegishmaydi. They over the bridge now. They are walking. Okay, mushnaqa. They are walking now. Hozir shunaqa, hozir yuz berayotgan ishlar. Can she type this letter? Me? Men uchun bo'lsa, for me. Can she type this letter for me? Başsızlarda çıkıyor. I usually go to school aniq vaqt bo'lsa at, right? In the morning and the tushdan burunliqqa enkilgan gap. Okay, number 9. We usually stay home on Sundays. And the stay mushu kichik o'rinlarga at degan birisi keldi. We stays at home. We usually stay at home. You know, my father often goes to work. Okay, and then mushu maniga chiqib bo'lsa by car. By car. Mesela by bus bo'lsa avtobusga o'tirib, by sea bo'lsa poyezdga parxtga o'tirib, by air bo'lsa aeroplanga o'tirib, tushunami? The moment they are playing, and the moment degan aniq vaqt bo'lganligini nima deysanglar? At the moment, okay, they are playing in the garden. Ular gullikda o'ynayotdi. Qaranglar, men misol qarab, how's Jane yesterday? How's Jane yesterday bo'lsa, buning xatoligini nima deysanglar? How was? Ma o'tgan zamonda nima deysanglar? Cho'qim BP'ning was shaklinishmi? How was Jane yesterday? Okay, I'm saying he goes to school by bus last week, and last week o'tgan hafta ekan. He goes bilamda nimaga? He went bilamda. You know, he went to school by bus last week. Okay, number 3. He goes home at 6 o'clock last month. Okay, uyga borib uyga qaytdi shunami? Last month's o'tgan zaman, go o'tgan zaman shakli went. So he goes home at 6 o'clock every day. Yoki bo'lmasa o har kun soat 6 bilan qana qildi, uyga bordi. Bu oddiy hozirgi zaman demak takrorlangan holatda qilsanmi? Umma xato emas. I can fly kites 7 years ago. Okay, endi ma'nosi 7 years ago bo'lgan ekan, buning o'tgan zaman shakli flew yoki I could desak bo'ladi. I could flew yoki I flew kites years ago. Years ago. Yani yil burun endi uchuvdim. So did you saw him just now? Okay. And bunu nima? Ma savolga aylandi o'ganda, birisining o'tgan zaman shakli, asl shakli kelish kerak. Did you see him bo'lish kerak. Did you see him? So Tom wasn't watch TV last night. Demek ki Tom bu asaslı pil kelganda bu nima kelmaydi. Bu faqat nima Tom didn't watch. Bu yordamchi pil did keladi, tushunami? I did not my homework yesterday. Okay, I did not do my homework. Endi men yerga do degan asosli fe'l unutib qolgan. Va didn't degani yordamchi fe'l bilan kelgan. I waited for you 3 hours ago. Okay, I waited for you. Shnama? I waited for you 3 hours ago. Cho'qim ashniki o'tgan zaman shaklida kelish kerak. Okay, keyingisi who find it just now? Okay. Demakchi who found it just now? O'zgarish kerak. Kim tepib oldi uni? Degandek. Alright, bo'ldi hamsa. Bugungi darsimiz mushagichi bo'lsin, savolashlar. Bo'lsa shu bugungi darsni nihoyat yaxshi astoydil takrorlab, ashuna ichidagi muhim bo'lgan til nuqtalarini, muhim xotir qoldirib qo'yib deyilgan mazmunlarni tekst cho'qim yodlasanglar. Yodlaganda ma bizningki video darslik bor, to'g'ri chiqargan 10 minutcha kuni so'la debchi. Shu bo'yicha o'rgansanglar, menimcha unumi texim yaxshi bo'ldi. That's all for today. See you next time. Goodbye.